What's up guys, Naresh here and you are watching Naresh Television. If you're new here, why not click onto the subscribe button, because here on my channel you're going to see the good stuff for your Kodi streaming world and some fantastic tech product reviews. And if you already joined the revolution, thank you very much for being there for me. Well, today is a Saturday and it's a dash cam special. So buckle up your seat belts and watch this video. Today in this video we are going to review this XiaoYi smart dash cam. Yes guys, it's a smart dash cam. It's got a feature which makes it smart. It's called ADAS, Advanced Drive Assist System, which is kind of in a preliminary stages, I would have to say that. But other than that, this dash camera comes with all the standard feature which you expect from any best manufacturer of dash cam, starting with the full HD 1080p recording at 60 as well as 30 frames per second, equipped with 165-degree wide angle lens which will cover the whole 3 to 4 lane of your motorway or road you got. Built-in gyro sensor with the capability of locking the footage in case of any accident. Now one thing I forgot to mention, camera aperture. It's got a wide aperture of 1.8, which will make sure that your nighttime recording is perfect. This dashcam also comes with the built-in Wi-Fi, which will make your life easier to transfer the footage from your dashcam to right into your mobile using the app which is available in Google Play Store as well as Apple Store. Now as usual, first I'll show you what is included in the box, overview around the camera user interface, following with the camera day and nighttime recording, ending with my final thoughts. It contains one 3M adhesive mounting bracket, one standard USB 12 to 24 volt car charger with the output of 5 volt, one 11.5 fit standard micro USB power cord, one XiaoYi Smart Dash Camera User Guide which support multiple languages and come with all standard information which will help you to quick start this camera. Box also includes XiaoYi red label as well as the warranty card. Now in last but not least, we have our XiaoYi Smart Dash Camera. Now from the first look, the only thing I can say, looks like an action camera, but guys, it is a unique looking one and fantastic in terms of build quality. This camera comes with the 165-degree wide angle with the f of 1.8. Mic is also available in front of camera. Now on top of camera we have a slot for camera holder. On right side of the camera we have a micro SD card slot which supports up to 64GB of memory card. On the left hand side of the camera we have a power input as well as the reset pin. Now in the base of camera we have air vents and the manufacturer detail. Now on the back we have 2.7-inch display. And all the buttons to access the menu are available in the bottom with clear marking. Now as soon camera get powered, you're going to hear the notification and it will start recording. You'll also get to see these two LED lights in here. Red one defines that camera is powered and the flashy yellow means it's recording. Now right under the display you see all these buttons. Everyone come with a meaning. So if you click onto this red button, it will do a urgent recording which will be a 5-second ahead recorded, pre-recorded kind of thing, and will be locked as well. In here the menu is very straightforward as well and easy to use. Now if you would like to navigate within the menu, you simply press these buttons like that. Now the first option you have is for the resolution. To change it, you just need to click onto this button here. There you go. Now we are 1080p at 60 frames, 1296 at 30 frames, 720 at 30 frames, 1080 at 30 frames, 1080 at 60 frames. That's how easy it is to change this. Next is the microphone on and off. You can turn on and off by pressing this power button. Next is the G sensor, which is selected at the medium at this moment of time, but you can select it to the high, medium, low, whatever you like. Next option we have the LCD off, which is a very important like a screensaver option. If you like to put it lower than that, you simply keep a scroll down. You can select the appropriate option you like. Next is the ADAS It's a very useful feature which I have told you in the beginning of this video. Next we have the Wi-Fi, then micro SD card if you'd like to format it, then the reset to the factory setting. Keep scrolling down, you're gonna go see the option for date and time, standby lock display on, music power on sound, and so much more. Very user-friendly option, straightforward to the point. Now looking into the recorded footage on this dash cam is very easy. Press that button right in here. You're going to see all the footage, and while they are recorded, easily access through the menu by simply going through like that way as I'm showing you right now. Well, camera seems to be very decent, isn't it? Now let's have a look into the daytime recording. Well, nice, clear, full HD. How about the nighttime recording? Let's have a look into that too. So there we go guys, now you have seen daytime as well as nighttime recording, and I'm sure you must have found this camera at your expectation. Now to be honest with you, the Yi dash cameras, all of them are fantastic. With a very competitive price, you get what you want actually. A perfect system, all in one fact up solution. So I would personally highly recommend every one of you, if you are looking for dashcam, that is a great choice for you. That's it guys. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have more question or any reservation about this product, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you. That'll be all guys. Thank you. Bye.